This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3.8 liter engine. This will be located on the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The air filter is going to be located inside of our air filter housing on the driver's side of the engine compartment. To gain access, let's start by removing this tube. It has a squeezable clamp. Squeeze the clamp, slide the hose out of position. I'm going to use some pliers for this. No cracks on that hose. We'll set it aside. Now we're moving towards our air inlet hose. Typically this would be an 8mm. This clamp has been replaced. I'm going to be using a 7mm. Loosen the clamp enough that you can slide the air inlet tube off of the air filter housing. We're moving along to our mass airflow sensor electrical connector next. Along the top of the mass airflow sensor electrical connector, there's a locking tab. Squeeze it in, slide it out of place. A quick look for corrosion. This looks good. Now we have two metal clips up along the top of this. Lift up on those. We'll take hold of the air filter housing. We should be able to rock this away and lift it up and out of position. And now we can remove the air filter from inside of this housing. Where those clips are, typically there's a small area you can reach into. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We're looking inside the air filter housing. Remove any miscellaneous debris. For this, I'm just going to use a clean rag. Let's prepare to install our brand new air filter. We have it so our fins are up along this area. They're going to be facing towards the driver's side front. This would be the backing, facing towards the engine. Now, when we go to bring the housing into position, if you are looking along this portion of the air filter housing, you're going to find that there's several slots along the bottom. The other portion of the housing will have tabs that slide down and into that area. We'll roll that into position, and then of course we'll latch it in with those metal locking clips. Take hold of each of the two pieces of housing. Attempt to separate them. It should not fall out of place. Now we can resecure our air inlet tube onto the air filter housing. We'll line it up, press it in as far as possible, and tighten our clamp. Hold the housing. Attempt to separate that hose from the housing. It should not move around in any way. Let's move along to our electrical connector for the mass airflow sensor. Locking tab facing up. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secured in place. Let's move along to our next hose. After pressing that into position as far as possible, you want to get that squeezable clamp back into the original positioning. When you do so, make sure you can see hose on both sides of the clamp. This is very important. Attempt to slide that out of place. It's secure. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you have to do is run the vehicle. Make sure you have no running condition or check engine light. Aside from that, close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.